Well, here's my pipe dream set. Had terrible 50-60 mile an hour winds. It's messed it all up. You can see I got a tri-set there, blowing it all over. I don't know what I caught here. I'm fixing to pull a foot out, but I definitely have a catch circle. There's a camera, but for some reason I don't know if it's out of the field of view. Oh well, I gotta remake this. I hate getting down in a catch circle. It's gonna stink, but sure destroyed my set, didn't it? Didn't bring a sifter with me. It'll be interesting. I'd say it's a raccoon or a possum. Really, I should take this trap down and soak the doggone thing. I don't use a hammer anymore. This trowel works so good.